In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Google Contacts to N8N so you can automate tasks and keep your contacts synced. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides. First, open your N8N editor and add the Google Contacts node to your workflow. This node will act as the bridge between N8N and your Google account. Next, configure your credentials using OAuth 2 authentication. Choose the Google Contacts credential type, then select the right scope. Use Contacts Read only if you only need to view contacts, or Contacts if you want to add or update them. After selecting the scope, authorize N8N when the Google pop-up appears. Once permissions are granted, your credentials will be validated and the node will be fully connected. Now you can test the setup by running a workflow. From here, you can automatically sync, update, or manage contacts seamlessly inside N8N. And that's it. Your Google Contacts are now connected to N8N. Happy automating!